Welcome back to our ReactJS tutorial series. In this video, we'll be talking about JSX rules in ReactJS. As we have seen in our previous videos, JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript that allows us to write HTML-like code in our JavaScript files. However, there are a few rules that we need to follow when writing JSX code in ReactJS. First, all tags must be closed. This means that even self-closing tags like image tag or input tag must be written with a closing slash, like this. JSX code must have one parent element. This means that if we want to return multiple elements, we need to wrap them in a single element. For example, instead of returning two paragraph tag elements like this will ensure that our JSX code is valid and can be rendered by ReactJS. We cannot use reserved words like class or for as attributes in JSX code. Instead, we need to use their equivalents in JSX, which are class name and HTML4. Like this. Those are the basic rules you need to follow when writing JSX in ReactJS. But there are some additional rules to keep in mind as well. Another JSX rule to keep in mind is that we cannot use JavaScript expressions directly in JSX code. Instead, we need to wrap them in curly braces, like this. Here, we're using the JavaScript expression name to dynamically insert the value of the name variable into our JSX code. Additionally, we cannot use if statements or loops directly in JSX code. Instead, we need to use JavaScript expressions and conditional operators to achieve similar functionality. For example, here, we're using a conditional operator to conditionally render different JSX elements based on the value of the is-logged-in variable. I hope these additional JSX rules were helpful. Remember to follow these rules to ensure that your JSX code is valid and easy to maintain. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.